Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in tech. If you love Apple news, rumors, and in-depth analysis, you're in the right place. Today, we're going all-in on one of the most anticipated devices of 2025, the M5 Mac Mini. From early leaks and wild rumors to confirmed upgrades and AI-powered performance boosts, we're giving you the complete picture. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right into the world of Apple's next compact powerhouse. Mac Mini, M5. Context and background. The Mac Mini has come a long way since its Intel days. In 2020, Apple blew everyone's minds with the M1 Mac Mini, offering blazing fast performance and a tiny chassis. Then came the M2 and M2 Pro Mac Minis, refining Apple Silicon even further. But here's the thing, Apple skipped the M3 chip for the Mac Mini lineup. That's right, the next step is the M5 Mac Mini, expected to deliver an unprecedented leap in power, efficiency, and AI smarts. Why M5? Because Apple is reportedly fast-tracking development using TSMC's second Gen 3 nanometers process, the N3E node, unlocking insane levels of performance. Design leaks and form factor: slightly larger base for improved airflow, dual-fan cooling system for better thermal management, optional colors, silver, midnight, and possibly space black status light, redesigned to be thinner and more minimalistic. Top 10 new features. M5 chip 3 nanometers, N3E. Built on TSMC's second Gen 3 nanometers architecture, up to 10-core CPU 6. Performance: for efficiency, 12-14-core GPU with ray tracing, 32-core neural engine unified memory, up to 32 GB more memory bandwidth, over 150 GB per second options, 8 GB, 16 GB, 24 GB, and Thunderbolt 5 support, double bandwidth of Thunderbolt 480 Gbps. Data transfer Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.44x faster downloads, lower latency and higher external display support, dual 6K 60Hz or 1x8K 60Hz monitor, native 10-bit color support, faster SSD and storage options, PCIe Gen 5 SSDs, up to 4 TB internal storage, macOS Sequoia, optimized for AI tools, integrated with Siri, Spotlight, and apps, low power consumption, more efficient than M2, even at higher performance levels. Enhanced cooling and thermal design, dual fan redesign, optimized heat pipes and airflow, eco-friendly materials, 100% recycled aluminum, recycled rare earth elements in all magnets. Performance and benchmarks: while Apple hasn't officially revealed M5 benchmarks, industry insiders estimate the following based on leaked internal testing: single-core Geekbench 6, 3,200 multi-core Geekbench 6, 16,000 to 17,000. Neural engine, 65 trillion ops, sec GPU performance, 35% better than M2 Pro. What does this mean? Faster app launches, real-time 4K, 8K editing, smoother AI workflows, and even better gaming. Ports and I/O: the M5 Mac Mini is expected to offer an impressive array of ports for creators and pros alike. Expected ports for X Thunderbolt 5 to X USB 3.2, 1X HDMI 2.2, 8K capable gigabit, or 10 gigabits Ethernet, 3.5mm headphone jack with high impedance. Support optional SD card slot rumored. This makes it extremely versatile, from video editors with multiple displays to developers running virtual machines. Software: macOS Sequoia is the next gen OS that will power the M5 Mac Mini. It brings a whole set of AI-driven features, smart summer in Safari and Notes, enhanced continuity with iPhone mirroring, Siri 2.0 with contextual awareness, AI-generated replies in mail and messages. The M5 Mac Mini will be the first desktop designed to take full advantage of these features with its upgraded neural engine. Price: Apple's pricing trends. Predicted pricing: base model, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD, $599. Mid-model, 16 GB, 512 GB SSD, $799. High-end, 32 GB, 1 TB SSD, $1,099. Potential M5 Pro version, $1,299, $1,499. Apple may also keep the M2 Mac Mini as a budget option at $499. Release date: expectations based on Apple's hardware cycle and recent supply chain hints. The M5 Mac Mini is expected to be announced October 2025. Apple event pre-orders within the same week, shipping early to mid-November 2025. It might launch alongside the M5 MacBook Pro and a new studio display. So there you have it, the complete deep dive into the upcoming M5 Mac Mini. Apple's next compact desktop is shaping up to be a silent, efficient powerhouse, perfect for professionals, students, and power users. Which feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Apple coverage, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.